All right. Oh, let's sit down. This is my video to show you splitting rails. I'm doing it the way that I think you're supposed to do it, the way that I learned from my grandfather, but this is second or third growth cedar, so I have to use a chainsaw bit with the knots, otherwise the post will get completely wrecked. So that's what the video is for. You can watch at your leisure, or I don't talk much when I'm doing it, so I might do the hoot and holler once in a while just to give me a little bit of energy. But other than that, it's the sounds of splitting cedar rails. Here we go. I'll show you some stuff too, oh man, where is that? Okay, these are a bunch of big wedges from my grandfather. Got about 11 of them. I don't need them all today because we're doing smaller splitting. Yeah, PV if we need it. I doubt we do, but you never know. Big bar for splitting. Found this old 8-pound splitting maul of my grandfather. It's cracked a bit here. But put a new handle on it. It's the first time I've put a metal piece in it, but it split the damn thing. Split it. And I'm not going to use metal in there again. I just have the wedge in there, but I won't do that again. So we'll see how it lasts. Away she goes, eh? And, oh, you know what? I didn't bring my helmet. My earmuff. Oh, maybe we don't need the chainsaw today. We'll see. Chainsaw, just in case. Might not need the helmet, because I've got, I do. What can I do? Let's see. Well, let's just do a split here first. Doesn't have to do a whole video of this anyway. See how she goes. Let's split her from the big end. This is the big end. Try a split down the middle. See what happens. Might be because she's frozen. Let's get a different wedgie. This is a good one. That's better. There she be. Now, I will have to get the chainsaw to cut the nose off of these little chipmunk up there. I can actually get some good rails out of that one. Well, get like 1, 2, maybe 3 rails out of that one. Oh, 2 for sure, 3. So I can cut the nose off this one and then get maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 rails out of that one probably. But because there's big knots, I'll show you. Because there's, I mean that's a small knot in comparison, but there's a really big one back here that goes on both sides. Because there's a huge knot here that goes all the way through, you'd never split that properly. So I'll have to use the chainsaw. I'll probably do a mixture of chainsaw and wedge. That's what we'll do. So let's see. Maybe I'll just do a splitting video right now. So I've got those ready to go with the chainsaw. I won't use the chainsaw right now. And then I'll go do that in a separate moment. Although I do like to get them done as I go, just to get them out of your hair, because these ones here are all done. They're cut up, ready to go for the night. Well, let's split this big puppy here. That should be fun. Yeah, let's do it. Let's split the big one. Move you over here a bit. This should be good. Well, let's move you at the other end where you can see me starting to split it. Starting here because this is the bigger end. This is the butt end. Okay, probably gonna split it here. See, there's a big, where the tree has grown in on itself. I'll probably split her there to the center. This won't be quite in half, or there. Maybe there. I'll go there. Okay, let's get 2 wedges. I'll get 4 total. Let's get this big mother. So I'll go in line right there to the center. Start it at the top. Oh yeah. bit of sparky action there. Huh. Now we'll pop her in from the top. Get a little smack down here. Let's go right about here. Started to split. This is a big wedge. Chop there. Let's go here. There she be. And then we'll split this one in half. Well, both of them. See, I might do that one and I might do this one in thirds. Take it right up there and then do one here. This one, kind of funny. Probably right here. Let's just try that one and see what she does, eh? Let's take her right here. Show you what's happening. So you can see, starts to split. And I just put the wedge in here. Then it'll open up more, get it all the way to the other end. It's only when I have to cut the nose. What I mean by the nose, this is kind of like the pie wedge shape. And when I cut the nose off, when I cut it this way, that's when I need the chainsaw to cut through some of the knots. Like that knot there, I would need the chainsaw to cut past it. Then I could probably split it till the next knot and go from there. Trying to get a good position here. How's that? We're gonna get up higher. Could put you on top of the fence post maybe, but so let's see what she does. Let's wedge it right here. I can take one out and move them all around. Let's see. Might be a little knot at that end. We'll get her. There she be. Let's try. Oh no, let's see. Might be wise to take one off the nose there first, eh? What's this here? Punkiness. Yeah, let's split Biggie Boy in half. Let's get you closer here so you can see the action. See the split. I just hope I don't hit you with the axe. I'll try not to. So that one I'm going to do in thirds. So let's see what I can do here. Start out with, get used to some wedges. I really like this one as a starting one. This is good as a finisher. That one's massive. Okay, let's take this turkey here first. Let's do her here, right in line with that. Going from in line with this part where it's weakened and then up to the center. We're getting a little bit of a sideways hitter here, hey? Let's PB it over. So you can see the split here. I use this longer, skinnier one when I'm not sure. Just get her straight down. Hit. Open her up a bit. Go with the bigger dog. Go right here. A little bit easier to know where it is. Splitting off the side a bit, but oh well. This way she goes. Every tool has its purpose. Okay. Now, let's do this turkey in half. Or should I take a nose off of it first? Maybe I'll try a nose, but I'm pretty sure, I'll show you, I will get stuck with having to pull out the chainsaw, because if I try to take this off here with the wedge, it'll start out, then it'll hit a knot. It'll become really difficult. But let's give her a shot. I'm thinking about here, because it should taper onto smaller down there. So kind of a bigger one here. Maybe about there-ish. This is a little bit of a risk, because I know I'm going to hit a knot. See what it does with another wedge. Trouble is I'm driving wedges in sideways, that's harder. So far so good, we're getting lucky. Getting looky. Looky. Oh yeah, I ran into a wedge there. Yeah, right into a knot there. Ugly. Same thing here. Yeah, yeah. That one is kind of oogly. Well, hope for the best. No, I didn't think so. You little beggar, you. Must be a big knot right there, eh? Let's see if we can get it from the other end. I doubt it. We did her. Didn't think we would. Pry bar. Kind of an ugly split, but what do you do? That's a heavy post, that one, or heavy beam. Heavy rail. But we took the nose off. Yeah, I'll show you the knots there. why this becomes a real pain. So it's a nice along here, but then you start getting these knots. Another one that we had to break through. Another one in there, I think. And then one at the end here that was holding it. But those are relatively small, that's why we got it, but still it was a pain. Any bigger, it'd be a real pain in the butt. So let's keep cutting or splitting the pie away. So if we split her this way, we're gonna be fine because the knots goes around the knots. You're not trying to break through the knots. But there comes a point when you have to take the nose off, because otherwise you have this little skinny piece at the end, which is no good either. So let's rattle this guy off again. Where my maul went. There she is, right in front of me. Start her here. There's a nice splitty. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was a good one. Yes. Those are the ones I like. There we go. And I think I'll cut the nose off of this first. Yeah, we got a big knot here, otherwise I would try it. I'm gonna get bunged up there without the chainsaw. So there's where we're at. Guess I could split those ones. What's the time here? I think I will. I'm gonna go over and split those turkeys. Get them ready. It's just like geology. It's just time and pressure. It's the only way to beat it. Oh, I got another one here to do. Could do that one right there. Split her right in half, eh? Yep. Let's do her again. When in doubt, do it again. Makes no sense, but. When in doubt, do it again. Alrighty, so probably take her here, see where she splits. Take this one,
bypass it off at the before it becomes an issue. That was a little harder. A little bit smaller diameter, more integrated with knots. That's my theory anyway, because it didn't split well at all there at the bottom. I was whacking like a beast. So let's see where this takes us. Put a big dog right there. Yeah, there's a knot right there, eh? Little bugger. Yeah, we're full of naughties. Full of naughties. Wedges and levers. Well, I got it to the best of my ability there. Yeah, there's a big knot right there, huge. Yeah, some ugly knots in that one. leave it because these are getting too bunged up on each other. Gotta do the smaller version of them with the chainsaw. Alrighty. I don't know where I'm looking, but worked up a bit of a sweat there. It's a beautiful day today. Like, it's beautiful blue sky. Peaceful, no wind. It's about -4 Celsius. So the ground is nice and hard, no mud. I like it. So hopefully that was somewhat entertaining for you and maybe possibly informative. If you have any tips on this and you've done it yourself, being maybe an old-time logger and you've done this and you have some tips for me, by all means, I'm more than open to learn and make things more efficient. But like I said, with this second growth timber, it has all these knots in it, because I remember doing first growth with my grandfather, and usually it would have the center of it would be kind of rotten out, and you just split it and it would just, all you'd have to use is maybe 2 wedges and a bar and it would just split beautifully. But this stuff, too many knots. But still, it's great. Look at the rails you get out of it. These are all 12 foot. Some are kind of cracked up a bit, but for the most part, they're turning out to be beauty. Like these ones here, like just some nice stuff. So that's my fun as of late. Okay, have fun, YouTube.